November 22. What's this one? Bears? What kind of bear is that? Cucumber.
Cucumbers.
Cucumber.
Cucumbers. Whatever. My shrimp is almost cooked. Almost. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I am just a little bit hungry. A little bit hungry. Roxy! Oh my god. I am hungry. It's already 9 o'clock and I haven't had breakfast yet because I was staying in my room for, until I drop my mother-in-law to dialysis. But I'm gonna have something. You know what I'm going to have? I'm going to have what do mama's gonna have? What's mama's going to have? Croissant. But it's frozen. So I'm gonna go downstairs to get it. Right, Rox? This is bread I have left here. It won't, not enough for a few days before we go upstate. It's okay. I survived. I can eat rice if I want to. And also, I'm gonna have this. Just finished this one. This is the one from Trader Joe's, guys. This one, the pancake. Look. It's really good, but it's a baby pancake. They're very little. Look. Small. They're very cutie pie. I'm just gonna finish that. What's the point of putting that in the refrigerator? You guys told me different thing about my hand. This one here. It's itching now like crazy. I just wash it with hot water because I don't want to keep scratching it. And we went to CVS and then asked them for, for what's good for this. And this is what, I think I showed you this, right, in my vlog. And I'm just gonna apply because I just wash it. Yeah, this is how I apply it. It's really getting big, this one here. I don't understand. This is like, it's really getting big, especially this one here. And I was writing yesterday here with the bill. A bill, a monthly bill. And I can't find it. I don't know where it is, guys. Honestly. I don't know. Maybe it's in Tommy's car. Maybe. Hi guys, I'm wearing back the same thing with this because to cover up this thing because people will look at like what the heck is going on with her arm. That's what happened here. People are kind of weird if this is something on your skin, if it's contagious like that, So I'm just avoid to show it up to other people outside the house. So anyway guys, I'm waiting for my mother-in-law to call. It's 1:04 already in the afternoon and she hasn't called yet. So and the dog is doing 69 portion over here. Look at them. Like that's how they fight, guys. Like Misty is always under, and that's not fighting actually, they're like playing. I think the other one doesn't help, so I'm gonna use this one, guys. This calamine plus its relief. This one here, look, it's getting bad. Why is that getting smaller? That's a different one.
It's a different brand. It's their own brand now. They're not carrying the other one. A good brand. But apparently they're not carrying the brand. November 22. What's this one?
Why they always like get rid of that? Good morning, guys. It's almost 11:30. morning. Lousy, very lousy morning. Roxy, move. Let daddy in. Okay. So, morning. We just went back from Costco. I'll show you what we get from Costco. Salmon. Yeah, pork. I thought it's recording, so I have to redo it. Two different kind of porks. The one that is seasoned and the one is not, and sweet pepper. And I have two bags of croissants and baby cucumber. This one, the organic baby bella mushrooms. It's really good.
Cucumbers? I don't know. What kind of bear is that? The cucumber.
Cucumbers.
Cucumber.
Cucumbers. Whatever. And this one sausage is the pepperoni. That's a pepperoni sausage, right?
What do you mean putting here?
And this one, your sausage. Your sausage. Okay. And hot dogs and shrimp, guys. It's right here, Hannah. This shrimp, I'm gonna make a kebab. So, and the romaine for salad and sandwich. Everything is in there already, so.
They're all in here?
Yeah.
Tomatoes are in here?
You don't even see under there.
Oh, they're right here. And the mushroom blooms.
Look, Roxy's watching you.
Mushrooms?
Yeah. Roxy's watching you.
What else? That's it? Everything refrigerated? What about the little cucumbers?
Just put that cucumbers over there. And this one here, that's a shrimp. Cover it with plastic. We don't have space anymore. This is the problem. That's it for now. I'm gonna put this in the freezer, cut this off, and yeah. Anyway, guys, that's what we got. And I'm gonna put this in the Ziploc and put it in freezer downstairs. Because croissants really get bad fast if you don't put it in the refrigerator. So, I put the lemongrass downstairs. Look, it's still good looking, in the freezer. You put it in freezer. Still looking good. Hard head. I think it's right here. I give up, guys. I give up. I went to the driving test again today and I failed again. I don't want to do it anymore. I give up. That's it. I just don't want to do it again. And also this poison ivy getting worse. Transfer to the other side of my hand. Look. Look. And it's on my leg now too. It's a little bit in there, but this is the worst part of my body, the left side of the parallel socks, guys. Telling you, parallel socks. That's what happened. Parallel makes you feel one time. But this is what I'm doing. That's why I need a lemongrass. Because the seasoned pork, it is seasoned already from Costco. I cut it, you know, that big, that wide pork ribs, and I boil it. This is for dinner. I'll boil it till ready to cook later. That's gonna be salt in there, and after that later on, my husband will put it on the grill and just add barbecue sauce, and I don't know what's in here. So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna boil it until later, ready for dinner. And I am cutting iyatsal. What? You know what is iyatsal means? Sweet bell pepper. Atsal, iyatsal. So I'm cutting this, and I soaked also I'm soaking the how do you call that? The skewers, that it won't get burned when I'm doing barbecue. And so I stopped already boiling that one because it's already so tender. I'm having, guys, the strawberry. Who agree with me, guys, that strawberry tastes like tambis? If you don't know what tambis looks like, I'm gonna take a picture here. Put a picture here. And if you put salt, this strawberry is really like tambis. This is my, like, if I miss tambis, I can eat this every day. It's really good. And my husband is eating some salad. I don't want to show my hand anymore. It's kind of nasty. This is what it looks like, guys. I don't have any zucchini or anything, onion. It's just, but this is good. It's a sweet pepper. Look what my husband did. Look how dark is my barbecue. My husband seasoned all that. He ruined my thing. They make it so delicious. So this is it, guys. This is really cooked already, and this one is just very quick. It's cooked very fast. My shrimp is almost cooked. Almost, you know. Need more orangey color, and I still have few left here. So that's really it. And Sammy want to throw this grill out, guys. This is a big grill. As you can, I'll show it to you. Look how big is the grill. And he want to throw this out because look at
It's pissing me off.
No, this one over here, the only problem here is how do you call this?
The searing burner.
The searing burner. We love
I
searing
could
burner
rebuild
with
it if
our
I-
steak, but it's look, it's blow up, and then I told him this is a really good grill, guys, and I don't want to throw this out. I want to bring this to the house, but clean it up, you know, wash it, pressure wash it.
Pressure wash.
This is America, guys. When it's really this hour, I think it's 7, almost 8 o'clock. Yeah. Stop it. So it's very quiet. People is inside the house. And yes, so that's our house. And it's dark, so that's across the street. You can't really see. Yeah. It's just so quiet. This is America. I just see a firefly. Wow, nice. That's a backyard house. Yeah. You can see different in the front camera. Look at it. You see different. The house. Oh, I just see firefly over there. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see? You see that? You see a firefly? Yeah. It's nice. Oh, there's a lot of firefly. Let me try to catch it. Let me try to catch. Look at that. I miss catching fireflies. I miss catching fireflies. Oh my god. I catch it, but I push it in the ground. Roxy, no, don't eat fireflies. Come here. Come here, Rox. Don't eat it, okay?